How to install the best-looking keyboard on a Samsung phone. First, everyone will go to the Galaxy Store. Search for the AppKey Cafe. Download it. After downloading, everyone open it up. Select Continue. Choose style your own keyboard. Everyone turn it on. Go to the Effects section. Here, there are many types of effects when we tap on the keyboard. You can also choose a different color here. Here, there are many colors for you to choose from. Or you can also customize it. Select Done. Let's check it out. That way, our keyboard will look amazing on a Samsung phone.